Hello everyone! Today, ituturo ko po kung paano mag-withdraw and deposit using your Merlion Global CRM account. So you need to go to the login page ng Merlion Global. Uh, you should be able to bookmark it every time na kayo po yung magla-login. So enter the email address that you have registered doon sa Merlion and then click mo lang yung password. Click login and then pupunta ka sa iyong dashboard. So all you have to do in order for you to make deposit first, punta ka lang ng transaction tab, funding, and then punta ka ng Visa, and then let's say ang plan mo is mag-deposit ng 50 or $100, let's just say, click mo lang yung confirm payment, right? And in order for you to confirm, you have the option here. Pwede kayong magbayad using credit or debit card. Okay, dito po yon. So you just need to fill in the information here. Pero ang pinakamadali dito is through GCash or we have Maya as well. Kailangan mong hanapin dito yung wire transfer na nagsasabi ng ZotaPay. Pag wala kasing ZotaPay yan, no? Most likely nasa mali kang tab. So may dalawang wire transfer dyan. All you have to do is to hover your mouse sa wire transfer na may pangalang ZotaPay and make sure na ito ay naka-PHP. So makikita mo na yung amount na mababawas sa GCash mo or sa account mo. Alright, ito yung i-deduct kasi depende yan sa palitan ng piso ngayon. So, once you're ready, okay, make sure na this one is color blue or clickable kasi kung hindi siya, that means your information mo dito ay may kulang. Sometimes ang kulang dyan is your email address or your phone number. You just need to fill it in and then you should be able to click the deposit button. So once you click the deposit button, okay, magkakaroon ka na ng option dito. So basically, we have online bank transfer, mga bangko na available. We have offline bank wire, which madalang lang ginagamit, pero most likely ang ginagamit dito is e-wallet. So meron tayo ditong GCash, PayMaya, GrabPay, ShopeePay. So GCash ang pinakamadali. Click mo lang yan, pay with Globe GCash, no? And then i-enter mo yung phone number mo dito na GCash. And then the rest will follow. It will ask you to confirm yung iyong payment through OTP. So ipuput mo lang yung OTP mo at magkakaroon dito ng successfully done. Once na done na siya, it should be able to deposited right away. All you have to do is to go back doon sa Merlion login page, dashboard. And then, yung $100 mo, dapat lilitaw na dito sa cash wallet. Okay? So, pag nandiyan na yan, in order for you to trade, kailangan i-transfer mo ito dito sa trading account balance. So, pumunta ka lang ng transaction, internal transfer, and then, yung 100 dito, deposit to trading account, ililipat mo lang sa MT4 mo. Alright? Same with withdrawal. So let's say kumita ka na, gusto mo mag-withdraw ng $100, you need to go to transaction again, internal transfer, withdraw to e-wallet. So whatever amount na meron ka sa MT4, let's just say gusto mong withdrawin yung 1.1 or $100, let's just say, di ba? Click mo lang yan and then click mo lang yung confirm transfer and then malilipat na dapat yan dito sa cash wallet. Once na malipat niya sa cash wallet, kailangan, in order for you to withdraw, yung My Profile mo is updated. Yung payment account, okay, punta ka ng My Profile, payment account, and then, kailangan updated to. Meron dapat pag-receiveang bangko or ang pinakamadali nga is GCash as well. So, if wala to, punta ka lang ng create bank account, right? So, let's just say GCash ang pinakamadalas as I mentioned. Lagay mo lang GCash. Bank branch is PH, okay? Yung bank account number is yung, let's just say, yan yung iyong cellphone number na GCash. And then lahat lang ng may asterisk ang sasagutan mo ha. So click mo lang, ang bank Swift code is 6 na 6. And then country should be Philippines, ang currency should be Philippine peso. Then click mo lang yung create bank account and it should be able to show up dito right away. So pag meron na ditong GCash or any bank na gusto mo, let's just say banko ang gusto mo, you need to look for the Swift code there na can be found sa Google. Anyway, kung may GCash na dito, it's time for you to withdraw. So punta ka lang ng transaction, withdrawal, alright? And then, lalabas na dito yung withdraw to bank account or e-wallet. Yung GCash mo na kaninang ni-register mo, lalabas yan dito. And then for as low as $1, no? Pwede kang mag-withdraw. So let's say mag-withdraw ka ng $100, lalabas yan dyan, lalabas yung payment charges and you will receive, so lalabas dito kung magkakano ang ma-receive mo in peso, click mo lang yung confirm and then hintayin mo lang yung approval, then that's it. Marireceive mo na yung inyong withdrawal.